Hi, my name is Kate, and I own a tanning salon in Massachusetts, and I was really trying to learn how to use Facebook ads to my advantage. A lot of my clientele are young, so that means they're on Facebook and using it on a daily basis, and I really want to be able to put ads out there to be able to get new people into my business. Sadly, however, I was spending way more on Facebook ads than I was bringing in revenue of new customers, which is sort of disappointing, and I knew that there had to be some way where I could learn to be able to use these Facebook ads effectively instead of wasting my money. So I basically found this report on secretsoffacebookmarketing.com. It's called The Nuts and Bolts of Facebook Ads at Work. It's basically a 30-page report that teaches you tons of information about how to use Facebook ads to your advantage. Basically, the biggest thing that I got out of this report was it basically taught me how to target my ads to a certain demographic to be able to bring in that group of customers rather than putting ads on the side of a page who someone would not even be close to interested in tanning. It was a fantastic report and probably the best investment I have made in terms of marketing so far with my business.